Tourism Pathshala, it will transform your dream into reality.
Good morning, my dear student. Before going to discussion the class, there is important information. We have already started UGC NET and JRF coaching for tourism administration and management and paper 1 also. We will provide online classes. Number 1, number 2, syllabus wise coverage. Number 2, number 3, previous year short question and analysis and explanation each and every question. I will provide also PDF note. There is a doubt clearing session and you also get the flexible class schedule. Student who have interest, you can join through this WhatsApp number 9123711814. Thank you. Good morning. This is our question paper analysis series of June 2024. In my previous series, I have already discussed the question from question number 50 to 74. 24 question already discussed. Today, the question number 75. Today we are going to learn the important question, question number 75. The first question, the total accumulated value or worth of brand is. They have given the 4 options: brand positioning, brand equity, brand identity and brand essence. The correct option is the brand equity. What is the technique we have to learn? The conception. Not only solve the question, parallelly our objective to learn the related topic. So what is brand equity? It is the added value and commercial strength. Brand equity means the added value and commercial strength of brand name and derived from consumer positive perception, association and loyalty. These are the very important point. Consumer positive brand is equal to image. Consumer positive perception, association and loyalty is a very important component and sector involve the brand equity. Key aspect: consumer perception, brand awareness, brand association and customer loyalty. So brand equity conception is a very important conception and this question is based on brand equity conception. Okay, now we move on our next question. The next question is based on when, question number 76, when Taj Group of Hotel introduces its existing product and services to new customer, it is a case of. This question, I repeat again, Taj Group of Hotel introduces its existing product and services to new customer. It is a case of. They have given the 4 options: market development, market penetration, market diversification and market segmentation. The correct option is market development. The market development means introduces its existing product and services to new customer. That is called market development. Market penetration is forcefully introduce the product, increasing the sales and product or services within the current market. The market, that is called the market penetration. Market diversification means company distinguishes its product or services from competitors. That is called market diversification. And what is market segmentation? Dividing the market into different subgroups. Here Taj Group of Hotel introduces its existing product and services to new customers. That is called the market development. Next question is based on question number 77. Business can be managed. This question, unit 6. This paper is based on marketing. Business can be managed by maximization of production and resultant lower unit cost and low price. With which concept of marketing is this statement associated? Okay, These are four conception of marketing: product concept, production concept, product concept, sales concept, and marketing concept. Our statement: the business can be managed by maximization of production. The business focus on maximization of production efficiency, lower cost, and increase availability. That is called production conception. What is the product concept? Parallelly, we have to know what is the product concept. The business focus on continuous product improvement and innovation. That is the product concept. What is the sales concept? Business focus on heavy sales promotion and aggressive selling technique. That is called the sales concept. And marketing concept: business focus on identify target market, understanding need, developing the product or services. That is called marketing concept. Okay, now we are going to the next question. When Titan watches planned the launch of fast track watches, it targeted students of metro and mini metro. Targeted student of metro and mini metro. This basic market segmentation. This is the four market segmentation: demography, geography, socioculture, and psychography. The correct option is the demography, because students demographies is based on people, age, sex group, their educational profile, status. So students of metro and mini metro, they are mentioned here. That's why the demographic concept is the right. Demographic segment is based on the demographic characteristics: age, gender, income, education, occupation, family status, religion, and nationality. Now we move on our next question. Our next question is based on which one of the following organizations are established as per recommendation of L.K. Jha Committee or Ad hoc Committee on Tourism. The Indian Institution of Tourism Travel Management, Hotel Corporation of India Limited, Institute of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, Food Craft Institute of India. They have given the four options. The correct option is Hotel Corporation of India and ITDC. The L.K. Jha Committee. Now we have to understand the knowledge about the L.K. Jha Committee. L.K. Jha Committee was formed 1963. This is a very important. L.K. Jha Committee was formed. And Jha Committee in Tourism provide the suggestion: increase the tourist stoppage, improve facilities. Next, government operation. Number focus area: hotels, transportation, entertainment, and visa facilities. So the correct option: Hotel Corporation of India Limited and ITDC, Indian Tourism Development Corporation. Okay, our next question is based on which is not privatization model for tourism industry in India. Which is not privatization model? Build and operate and transport, management contract, ownership contract, and trade sale. Under this section, ownership contract is not a privatization model. Now we move on to our next question. Which framework of community participation was introduced by Einstein in 1969? These are four options: ladder of citizen participation, pyramid of community participation, triangle of community collaboration, circle of community empowerment. The correct option is the ladder of citizen participation. Now we move on our next question. Our next question is 5 years. When the 5 years plan adopted the code of conduct for safe and honorable tourism, signed by the key stakeholder, associate, and over 100 industry leaders. These are given the 4th 5-year plan, 9th, 10th, 11th, and 12th. The correct option, the 12th 5-year plan. The main focus area of tourism development: increase financial outlet, Sustainable tourism means eco-friendly tourism, public-private partnership, community-based tourism. Proper tourism, boosting tourist activities, job creation, focus on infrastructure development and rationalizing of the text. So these are important aspect of 12 5-year plan of Indian tourism. In case we increase, next question, in case we increase the amount of direct supervision on work area. This question is based on the research and statistics, based on variable. There would be a surge in the work productivity, but under the condition of the complexity of the tasks being performed. In this statement, Z represents the work area is the work area identified the independent variable X. There would be surge in the work productivity, that is Y indicated, but under the condition independent variable Y is the dependent variable work productivity. Due to the work area, the work productivity will outcome, that's why it's a dependent variable. The question is, under the condition of the complexity of the tasks being performed, that is indicated as a Z, it is called the moderating variable. The moderating variable means this variable strength or direction, the relationship between independent and dependent variable. So these are the correct option. The next question is based on, this is also based on the research. The research that focus on the collecting either the primary or secondary data using an unstructured format or informal procedure to interpret age. Collecting either primary or secondary data using an unstructured format or informal procedure to interpret age. There are given the four options: causal research, descriptive research, exploratory research, and predictive research. The exploratory means explore something. Preliminary focus of investigation used to gain the better understanding of problem or solution or situation. Use the qualitative method, means interview, focus group, and observation. That's why this is the correct option, exploratory research. Okay, our next question number 85. This question is based on the which of the following expression is used in the research report when two or more successive footnotes refer to the previous cited work. This question is based on the review of literature. The review of literature, LOC dot cite means in the place cited, loco cito, the same page or paragraph, that is called loco cite. OP cite means previously cited work. Okay. ETSEQ means and the following. Pre-cite means in the work cited. These are the another area. So what is the perfect, the previously cited work means the correct option OP cite, previously cited work, option number 2. Okay, the next question, the following statement are correct except which statement is correct. The t-test is applicable when sample are taken from population having identical variable. In the case t-test is applicable. It is a correct statement. Scatter plots show relationship between two variables. This is also correct. A normal distribution curve depend on mean and standard deviation. It is also right. But Kruskal-Wall is age test. It is a non-parametric state. They have given is score dependent. Kruskal-Wall is age test is not score dependent. Used to compare two or more independent groups. So option number 1 is the correct. So these are the important question. Today I discussed the 11 question from 75 to 86, 12 question, 11, 12 question I already discussed. So in my next class I will discuss the rest of question. So you keep touch this channel, follow this channel, subscribe, and any you need any suggestion, guidance, private tuition, I have already started to guide my student. You may contact as soon as possible. So thank you.